10 News Alert.
Good evening, everyone. We are back out in Houston, Texas, or staying in Houston, Texas, whichever you would like to say. We are hearing that there's been a small plane crash, possibly caused one death. So again, small plane crash in Houston, Texas. KTRK providing us this feed, so we're going to continue to watch live. It looks like these are ground images, so we'll take a listen to the audio. This is a residential neighborhood for sure in the Houston area. You can see all the houses there, so we are not quite sure if it was a pilot or a passenger in the small plane, homeowner perhaps. We're not sure. When and if we get any additional details, we'll bring them to you here.
Walk straight home. Straight over there. Got a trooper coming through. All right.
All right, everyone, the little bit of details that we are getting from the station providing us these ground images. Authorities say one person is dead following a small plane crash in Katy, Texas. The Department of Public Safety, DPS, says the plane was found in a wooded area in the 22,000 block of Wester Pine Lane. So it's likely further down this residential area, but they have it blocked off to prevent people from getting to the crash site and possibly hindering the investigation. The Cy-Fair Fire Department says there are no survivors and the person killed is possibly the pilot. Officials say the plane may have struck a power line, which caused the power in a nearby neighborhood neighborhood to go out. I believe it's that neighborhood right there that we are seeing live. CenterPoint crews are working to restore power. That must mean that CenterPoint is the utility company there. And when you see right there behind that officer, that house looks completely dark, no electricity there. So they are working to restore electricity. We are hearing from the station providing us these images, KTRK, that one person has died in this small plane crash. Don't forget, everyone, this is live, raw, unedited news coverage. The photographer moving around right now, getting what we call B-roll or video at the scene. So again, camera movement likely to occur because this is live, raw, and unedited. All right, we're just hoping now that this live picture comes back out of Katy, Texas, but it might not, everyone. As soon as it pops up, though, we bring it to you here live, and when it goes away, we hope it comes back. I'm gonna